Hi YouTube, this is Tara and welcome back to my channel. Okay, here's the thing. I have my glass file here and I dropped it and it broke. Look at there. I dropped it while I was on my way into the gym. And y'all, I'm just trying to play with my little situation here to see, you know, if how the light gonna do, but you know, anyway. Hi YouTube, this is Tara. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. So I got you in my little stand that I had purchased from the crayon case. So I have this little glass file here, little crystal file, and it's textured on this frosted end. So you see up here it's clear, and then it becomes textured here and down here, and it just does a nice job of smoothing your nails out without destroying them. Now this is that thumbnail that I had cut too short some time ago, about a week and a half ago, maybe 2 weeks, and this is 2 weeks worth of growth. So no products that I have used has helped my nails to grow fast, but it will help my nails to stay hard and strong. Now if my nails are too hard, they're gonna break. If they're too dry and brittle, this is the nail right here that always breaks down the middle, and you can kind of see right there where the break starts and it breaks straight down. So I'm putting castor oil on it, and I got some olive oil that I got today. Okay, and I'm just filing them across just a little bit because they're just now starting to grow from where I cut them about 2 weeks ago. Okay, so, and you know, yesterday I posted a video of me polishing. Did I post that video or I did another video? It don't matter. It doesn't matter. That was yesterday. Okay, so I need to smooth this one. Okay, so I'm gonna go on top of this left hand with the love carry, and I'm gonna go on top of the right hand with the rocket frill. Now I'm gonna do the right hand first. Okay, this is that thumbnail. This is the index, the what they call it, the index finger, the pointer finger. And I'm not doing a hard file on any of my nails. I'm not pressing hard or anything against them. Just trying to get them a little even, a little bit more even, right? Just trying to get them to grow out a little bit more even, because they, as you can see, they are growing, but I have not put any gel polish on my nails in a while because I want to try to get my nails, my real nails, back healthy first to see what the problem is. Okay, I've been putting castor oil on this thing right here, and it's been going away, but it's going away real slowly. And then I have a light spot right here. I've been putting castor oil on that too. I'm gonna go to the doctor to make sure that there's nothing going on. So we are celebrating National Candy Day. It's something that we made up at work because a lot of people don't celebrate Halloween. So, but we like candy, so that's what we're gonna do. So everybody brought candy. And we got so much candy. Now with this rocket fuel polish by Beauty Guard, I don't like the blue tint because it gives your nails a little bit of a blue tint, and not only that, it kind of makes the nails look dirty. Yay. Okay, so I may go over it again. I consider 2 coats is when you let it dry. When you let it dry. And then go back in with another coat. So, let me tell y'all. The lady still haven't called me about the interview, but it's okay because I got 2 other interviews in different departments. And I'm going to let the chips fall where they may. But I am so ready to do something different. Okay. Okay, so that's that with the Beauty Guard Rocket Fuel System. Okay, so you're supposed to let this stay on 7 days and then take it off and then start over. Okay, but I'm probably gonna wait 5 days. Okay, now this dries pretty quickly. That's why I started with my right hand first. So now we're gonna go on with the Love Carry. Yeah, so we're just gonna believe God for increase. You know, He's the promoter. He gives promotions, and I have to accept what God allows, because if He, now that don't mean don't try, okay? But if He say right now, I'm not ready to increase you because I got something better for you. But what I will do to keep you from being stressed in your current role, I will give you a new position where you won't be so stressed. Okay. we'll see which one grows the fastest. Because you're supposed to see some growth in about 3 days with this keratin treatment. But I haven't noticed it being that rapid. So this is kind of a boring video. So if you celebrate Halloween, happy holidays. I definitely gonna be looking at Hocus Pocus. I sure will.